Hello everyone, welcome back. Here's vanAmsen. Today we are diving into another fascinating LeetCode daily challenge. We are going to reverse a list or sublist within a linked list. But this time we are going to explore a different yet equally captivating approach using a stack. So buckle up for some live coding. So before we dive into the code, let's quickly go through the problem. We are given a linked list and two positions, left and right. And our task is to reverse the sublist between these two positions. So sounds simple, right? But wait till you see the magic of the stack. All right, so let's talk about why might we use a stack for this problem. So the stack data structure is excellent for temporarily holding item in the order they arrive, only to release them in the opposite order. So it's like stacking some pancakes, and when you eat them, you start from the top and going bottom. So like in our previous solution, we will use two pointers. So we start by creating a dummy node and a previous pointer. So let's get down into code. So if not head or left, right, return head, and then dummy linked node, list node, dummy next, head, and previous dummy. So this is first step, and step 2 is to traverse our list and populate the stack with nodes that fall between left and right. So for in range left -1, previous next. So we are going to left node, and stack will be current, previous next, and for range right minus left +1, stack append current, and current will be current next, and yeah, then while stack previous will be previous next, stack pop, and previous will be previous next, and previous next will be current. And finally, we return dummy next. I think, yeah, next. Okay, so let's verify it's working, and I didn't make any typo. Okay, so all good. Sublist is reversed. So in this part, you can notice how we only push nodes that are within our left and right boundaries onto the stack. And in step 3, so last step, we perform reversal. So here comes the fun part. We are popping the nodes of the stack and relink them reversibly the sublist in reverse order. And finally, yeah, we don't forget to relink the last node. So previous next will be our current, and yeah, we return it. So our sublist is reversed. And about time complexity, so time complexity here, so we only traverse the list once, so it's O and time complexity, and also the space complexity is O n. So the stack does take up an extra space, so to keep that in mind. But it's stack solution, always good approach. And let's see. So yeah, our implementation beat 56% with respect to runtime, and also 31 with respect to memory. So all right, That brings us to the end of this coding session, and we have successfully reversed a sublist using two-pointer and now a stack. So I got a solution in other programming languages in the description below. So Go, Rust, C++, and much more. Yeah, so link in the description below. And if you found this session enlightening, go ahead and smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more coding adventure tutorials and much more. And obviously, yeah, keep practicing, stay motivated, happy coding, and see you next time.